Welcome back to my vineyard. Today, I will be checking the condition of the grapes, which are now 85 days after pruning. As you can see, the grapes are starting to change color, indicating that they will be ready for harvest soon, probably in about 2 weeks, since the average ripening period for this variety is 100 days after pruning. Before we can harvest, we need to regularly check the condition of the fruit, because at this stage the grapes are very vulnerable to fungal attacks that can cause the berries to crack and potentially lead to crop failure. That's why today I'm sorting out any cracked grape berries to discard, as the rainy season has started and my grapevines are not sheltered from the rain. If any berries crack, they can quickly get infected with fungi and spread to the surrounding clusters. Look, here are some cracked grape berries that I've removed. When sorting, don't forget to use clean scissors to avoid leaving any flesh on the stem. Next, I will spray a fungicide to prevent fungal attacks. I'm using Amistarta, a product from Syngenta, with the active ingredients difenoconazole and azoxystrobin, which are systemic. During the rainy season like this, systemic fungicides are the right choice as they protect the plant and fruit from the inside. For the dosage, I use a 1:1 ratio or 1 liter of water to 1 milliliter of fungicide. After spraying the fungicide, I also wrap the fruit to protect it from direct rain exposure and prevent attacks from bats or fruit worms.